Tafadhali makofi, tujione karibu kumkaribisha gavana wetu 1, 2, 3. Tena, karibu. Your Excellency, our Governor of Kisii County. Naomba tafadhali tukiwa tumesimama hivyo, tupate maombi mafupi kutoka kwa treasurer wetu wa Kisii Bodaboda, Mr. Shem Ombasa. Karibu sana ndugu yangu. Tufunge macho na tuombe. Asante Mungu wetu, kwa siku ya leo tumenyenyekea mbele zako, tukiamini ya kwamba tukikutanguliza Mungu wetu, mkutano wa siku ya leo utakuwa mkutano mwema kwetu. Asante kwa sababu ya kiongozi wetu ambaye ni gavana wa Kisii County na viongozi wenzake. Asante kwa sababu ya viongozi wengine wa tabaka mbalimbali na viongozi wa bodaboda. Tukiwa pamoja, tuomba Roho wako apate kutuongoza kwa kila jambo. Ni katika jina la Yesu tuomba na tuamini. Amen. Asante sana. Naomba ndugu zangu wana bodaboda tupate nafasi ya kuketi ili tumsikize gavana wetu.
Your Excellency, our Governor of Kisii, Governor Paul ARATI, the CEC for Administration and Acting CEC for Agriculture, Fisheries, Cooperative Development, Mr. Rahu, the Deputy County Commissioner for Kisii, Mr. Wilberforce Kilonzo, the representative of KCB Bank, Mr. James Maganda, the representative of Kisii Diocese, Father Reverend Nyangoto, the Bodaboda President, my brother from Kisii County, all Bodaboda leadership, members of County Assembly, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Bodaboda power. Hebu nione kama mko na nguvu kumpokea gavana wetu. Nikisema power, mnasema power. Bodaboda power. Power, Bodaboda power. Thank you, Your Excellency. Those are wonderful greetings to you from these members of Bodaboda. Without much ado, Your Excellency, allow me welcome the President of Bodaboda to come and introduce those who are here from sub-county. President tafadhali, nafasi yako. Pigeni makofi ndugu yetu ambaye atatuongoza kwa hiyo sehemu. Karibu sana ndugu yangu.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Governor, mawaziri wako, na wafanyikazi wote wa county, Bodaboda leadership across Kisii County, habari zenu nyote. Bila mwananesi, bila mwanaende. Asanti. Tegireni bageri okora introduction ya bwango President Yamago Tagokwana JDCMAS Kenyanyo Omare. I'm the Deputy President Kisii County Bodaboda. Tegireni introduction ya bwango gochaka kurwase ward level ebago tenena just to wave the President yekwane ekawira sande. Ndate chake amone constituency yeto ya Machoge Burabu aba chairman which ward wave biamono aba chairman which state ba Machoge Burabu bari gatigati abatene ne boss just to wave aba chairman which state keto chao Machoge Burabu. You can wave as well. Thank you very much. Machoge chache Onkurwa, Machaman Rich Ward Marote, you can wave to the Governor. Thank you very much. Our chairman, Rich State Raul Machoge Chachi, Barigatilatia Watenegoro. You can wave as well. Thank you very much. Richard South Mogirango, our chairman, Rich Ward, our chairman, West of the County, Watenegoro. You can wave to the Governor. Thank you very much. Our chairman, Rich State South Mogirango, Barigatilatia Watenegoro Boss. And also Sebari. I know where for Biamono. To watch the Charlie, our chairman, Rich Ward, and our chairman, West of the County. Wave the Governor, Biamono, our chairman, Rich State Rabo Charlie, Barigatilatia. I know where for Biamono. Niche Kitutu Church South, our chairman, Rich Ward, and our chairman, West of the County. Tenegoro. Wave to the Governor. Thank you very much. Our chairman, Rich State Rakitutu Church South. Barigatilatia wants Matenele. Biamono, Mavamora, Rego, Wefugo. Biamono. Kitutu Church Notes. Our chairman, Rich Ward. Wave the Governor. Our chairman, Rich State Rakitutu Church South. I know what you mean. Barigatilatia. Ebakarare maega biamono tuabaro de biamono ngende yalibali chache abachama niwechibone abachama niwesa County ebe Governor abaye abachama niwechi state banyalibali chache bali gatigatiyo musangerekano biamono lenu wefu nyole moro. Thank you very much. Bade ni machapu cha mtokoro torwa biamono morai biamono abachama banyalibali masaba Mechibon. Arrivare Masala, Tamania Sacco, Biamono, Gomate, and the Ramuensi. niche constituency ito ya Bobasi bachema bechi bodi na bechi stage wano tendera mwezi godioka buyamono Bobasi na ya ito buyamono finally Kisii Town leadership ya Kisii Town leadership ayo wewe digana buyamono ekarona ikirabo leadership ya county nero ya Kisii County tenene go ko na president yonsi president ya mwanzo kwa na kazi ya mwana tenena women ile kusimama juu ya mwana ina ile women ile yeto ya mwana asante ya mwana wako ile sema hiyo introduction the president yetu ane okaenda semende nantere the president yetu president karibu president ya chukua speaker na kwa nini thank you
excellent nawe chirorambi abarungia biamore na tu achirega ase nyambi irene nako basaba amaskani manene watu acha rero tokegerere amangana buru asomo bandito gosoma neno ito uyole gabana nando kata sifare se kompeta noneno ndo bwato chukwaye noneno ndo bwato wambo chukwaye wokora atese nge toro kyama amasikani ane se gichiro twatu abo isika aria ase isare muntu tokora kama sikani bale bami twatu kama sikani inyaje rero somo ibo rero yogaba noneno itu tukwa tama na toro kwa kusitoka na kwa na mange etoko yiro ni segaba atatebinga umuyo tukwa tega rero ngaitoko yenge kuchito kwanja emboko na terese nge tukwa tama mange ira ni kondra se on secretary are kabo sabanda babusia twachira Piano, tupigie viongozi wetu wa bodaboda wake shiko India. Biamono sana. Your Excellency, before I invite our county secretary and head of service, allow me to recognize the regional manager of NTSA, Mr. Adam Adol. Thank you so much, my brother, for coming. CS and head of service, please. This is your time. Please take on. Thank you.
Gavana wetu wa jimbo la Kisii, Mheshimiwa Excellency Governor Paul SIMBA ARATI, kiandamana na mwakilishi wa County Commissioner, akiwa na mawaziri ambao walichaguliwa hivi punde, ambao ni waziri 9 ambao wako hapa, maafisa wakuu serikalini, serikali ya kitaifa na serikali ya ugatuzi, viongozi wa bodaboda wa sub-counties, wards na hata stages zote. Siku ya leo, Your Excellency, ni siku ya furaha ambao tumekuja hapa kufanya biashara. Wazungu wanasema it's a day of business. Sisi hatutakuja hapa kufanya siasa, we have come here kufanya biashara. Na hii biashara, Your Excellency, ni kujiunga na Wakenya wengine ambao wakati huu katika nchi ya taifa ya Kenya tuko na asilimia 89 billion shillings kufikia mwaka jana ambazo zimechangwa na Savings and Credit Corporate Society. Na uwezi kumaliza umaskini kwa watu
ambao hawajiwezi ikiwa huwezi kuweka fedha katika mifuko yao. Na Your Excellency, hakuna nchi inaweza kuendelea ikiwa haina akiba ambayo inaweka kando. Na kwa mapenzi yako ambao uko na hayo kwa watu wa Kisii, na hasa nakumbuka wakati ulikuwa unafanya kampeni ya kuingia ugavana, ulisema utatoa umaskini kwa wakulima, na wakati huu umeanza kuvuvua mmea wa pareto katika kaunti hii. Alafu ukasema pia utaleta utaarabu katika kahawa yetu, na umeanza saa hii kuvuvua kahawa. Na watu ambao kwa kaunti hii wanabeba watoto wetu kwenda shule, wanabeba mama wetu kwenda sokoni, wanabeba wagonjwa. Jana usiku nikitembea, ilikuwa kama saa 5 ya usiku, saa 4 ya usiku, nilipata accident imetokea katika makutano, na vijana ambao walikuwa hapo kusaidia ni vijana wa bodaboda. Ambulance ya kwanza kufika pahali yoyote ikiwa accident inaitwa ambulance ya bodaboda. Na kwa mapenzi yako, Your Excellency, umesema tuboreshe biashara hii. Watu wengine wanaweza, unajua watu wakiona kitu kizuri ambao ita change lives of our people, kuna ile shaitani wa kufuruga. Na sisi tunasema shaitani afanye nini? Kwa hayo machache, Your Excellency, niruhusu nimjulishe maneja wa KCB aje tu kidogo. Manake ulisema chochote tukafanya lazima tufanye na transparent way. Alafu nimwite Father Nyanga kidogo tu kwa dakika 2, alafu nilete waziri wako waongee na wananchi.
Thank you, Secretary. Your Excellency, Governor Paul SIMBA, all protocol served, and the Bodaboda riders. Good afternoon. My name is James Magado, the chairman of all banks in Kisii and the manager KCB. Maybe one or two things I'd like to put across, Your Excellency. Just like what the County Secretary said, there is no country, no county that can prosper without saving. This is a noble idea, Your Excellency, and as KCB and all banks within Kisii region, we support your agenda. As KCB, we are going to partner with you, Your Excellency, so that we support this great agenda to a level of investment. That is our purpose, Your Excellency. So we are aligned with your agenda, and I'm very sure that once we start having discussions, we shall move this great county to the next level in terms of investing and in terms of raising the Bodaboda riders. Finally, one thing I know, Your Excellency, Bodaboda riding, and for all of you, is not business you can do like forever. Then if we have the Minister for Health and all the research that has been done, you can do this business for 5 years. So our plan, Your Excellency, will be aligned within 5 years, so that by the end of the 50th year, we graduate the Bodaboda riders who are seated here today. Thank you very much.
Wacha nimwite Father Nyagoto, anaweza kutupatia blessings. Father Nyagoto, tafadhali.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, ARATI, and the new ministers whom we will interact and know as time goes. Then the county commissioner, the representative of MTSA, the officials from the Kisii County government, viongozi wa bodaboda katika kaunti yetu yote ya Kisii, na wale wageni wote ambao wamekuja hapa siku ya leo, hamjambo. Kwa niaba ya jimbo Katoliki la Kisii, hasa kwa niaba ya Baba Askofu na Vicar General wetu, mimi nimetoka ofisi kuu ya Baba Askofu Kisii Diocese, nikiwa basi nimehusika pamoja na idara yetu ya Justice and Peace Commission, ambao wamekuwa na kikundi hiki cha wanabodaboda kwa muda mrefu sana. Your Excellency the Governor, after the post-election violence 2007-2008, we had a lot of challenges bringing our youth together. Our donor, who has been supporting us in the peace activities, initiatives, when we try to look for a way to bring our youth together, and especially who are easily now used to cause mayhem, conflicts, and even lawlessness, began supporting us to bring our youth into groups, and then we begin engaging them to do something useful for themselves and for the society. So as our donor, Miserio from Germany, gave us a very small component to begin working with, first with secondary schools, whereby we engaged our youth called peace clubs. But then we also raised even a bigger question that many of our youth are those ones who were outside school, who are now unemployed, who wanted to have something for a living, and who are now very desperate indeed. Working with many civil societies in our county, Kisii and Nyamira, with the provincial administration, with other religious groups within our county, we formed groups to begin engaging our youth. And that's how we identify particularly this group, Bodaboda. Bodaboda in two phases. One, those who own the motorbikes and those whom they entrust them to ride them around. It has been a very long journey, and especially to bring them together. But I thank the leaders, especially those who worked with CJBC, and I know you're also working with other areas, the Office of the County Commissioner, and the Inspector of Police, and the NTSA who joined us to begin discussing with them on responsible riding, discipline, and especially observing the law. And that was not enough. Then they also came up with an idea of trying to save the little they earn each day for their future. And I believe that's why we are here. So on behalf of our diocese, we want to thank God that today we can see many, many Bodaboda riders and even those who own those motorbikes here today, eager to hear what our governor, who has promised to steer this county forward, will give as a solution to empower this group and these young, strong, and educated men and women to contribute towards our economy. We want to pray for you. We are available. Our office is always open. I've come with one official from CJBC. Our coordinator has been a bit unwell, is in Nairobi, but has also wished you well. You know, Kisii does know Agnes Ovare. Let us continue praying for her, because she has also sacrificed a lot for this great project. Your Excellency the Governor, we want to pray that as a church, we always feel for our people, especially the vulnerable, the poor. Many of the Bodabodas have been misunderstood in the past, but they are the ones who most of us use to reach where we are going. I use Bodaboda myself once in a while, especially when my vehicle, my car is not working. And they're the ones who carry me, and they are friends, they are our brothers, and we want to encourage you, feel Kenyans, feel at the county, and do what you can to make our place a habitable place. And especially those who go against the law, then we want to request and kindly ask those concerned to help so that we have a very good business involving this great means of transport. With these few remarks, I want to say thank you for this initiative. I hope there will be a time then to pray and bless these people as they carry on with their work. Thank you so much.
Your Excellency, Father, asante sana for the support ya kanisa and pray for us. Your Excellency, sasa ni wakati wangu kujulisha hao wananchi wa bodaboda kwamba serikali iko imara. Na tunasimama imara. Mtu asiseme kitu kingine. Iko imara. Niite sasa waziri wa administration. Ajulishe mawaziri wenzake, alafu tutamuuliza kama commissioner wa organization.
Your Excellency, the Governor Kisii County, mawaziri ambao wako hapa, we have our visitors from the land security officers being read by the district commissioner, that is Sacco BDC, leadership of Bodaboda and the Bodaboda members. This is a day, and I think to me, when I look at the manifesto of the governor, this is one agenda that is being fulfilled by the governor himself. So, Your Excellency, thank you for starting with this manifesto, which was your best, well discussed during your campaigns. And I think now, let me take this opportunity to introduce other CECs or waziri who are new in this office, who will be working with you, so that at least you know who they are. My name is Daniel Omdabu Nyakundi. I'm the new CEC Public Service, County Administration, and participatory programs. I'm also acting as the new CEC in the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, Livestock, Corporate Development, and Irrigation. So for now, let me go and please all the CEC come here so that you introduce yourselves. You can just come all of you so that we meet. They are all here.
Brother TPP, Gamore, Marita Abel Kennedy, Okemo Avinja, CC Finance and Economic Planning. Diamond. Your Excellency, na wageni wote na bodaboda, mjambo tena. Kwa majina ni Eric Ongeri Nienda. I'm in charge of sports, youth, arts and other social services.
We are leading in the girls' pregnancy. I'm a child girl pregnancy.
What I can say, the wazungu wanasema, a penny saved is worth 2 earned after taxes. And that's why we're here. Mmenipata? A penny saved is worth 2 and after taxes. Thank you.